Hey guys, welcome to Surreal Stories. Hope all of you are doing great and are in good health. Today's video is about good things that happened in 2020. So without any further delay, let's jump straight into today's video. So winter is here as you can see, and we are about to enter the last month of 2020. Do you remember how much we wished hashtag erase 2020, hashtag delete 2020, hashtag hate 2020, hashtag end 2020? Well, it's finally ending. Jan and Feb were fab, at least for me. I had great beginning and the entire year was very well planned out. Like this year was it. But then the entire world entered into a crisis situation and there were so many bad news around that eventually I stopped watching news, living in the denial. But yeah, here we are entering into the end of 2020. We have lost a lot this year. People have lost their loved ones, their jobs, their homes, their mental health, and it's been challenging year for everyone around the world. But let us try to focus on some of the good things that 2020 brought for us. So first, good thing that I'm going to talk about today is, do you remember those times when work from home used to be a scarcity? Like, for me, I have been working into IT for around 5+ years now, and for me, it used to be like a blessing, if you are able to get work from home. And those were the days when we used to feel sick, or we had some emergency work and we cannot make it to office. But this year, oh my god, this year has been like, when can we get back to office, because we have been at home for 6 months plus now. And I really miss that office wali chai. But on a second thought, this work from home experience has given a lot of learnings as well. Like, working for now 12 to 13 hours, which used to be 9 hours earlier. But along with that, managing your daily chores, and also the second good thing, which I'm going to club with this, and I call it the blessing of 2020. The one best thing that happened in 2020 was that we all got so much time to spend with our family. It wouldn't have been possible otherwise. So that is one great blessing, because for us, who work away from office, we would never get so much time to spend with our family members. Yes, we are working 12-13 hours on weekdays, but yeah, at least for weekends we are here, and we can spend so much time together, doing so much of things that we wouldn't have gotten the chance to do. Another good thing that happened in 2020 was we got familiar with the words quarantine and sanitization. I don't think we would be washing our hands so often, but now we do, and I don't think that we would carry a sanitizer everywhere. Even if we are traveling, we hardly think of carrying a sanitizer with us. But now, even if we have to go to a shop nearby, we make sure that we have a sanitizer with us. And it was annoying at the beginning, all of this change, and always washing hands, washing everything that is coming from outside, but trust me, it is a good thing, good for our hygiene, good for our health otherwise also. So I consider it as a good thing that 2020 gave us. Yeah. Coming to the next good thing that happened this year, well, I don't cook, or nor I have much interest in it, but I have seen people going to the lengths of cooking biryani and garlic bread at home. Like, the hotel wali biryani and Domino's wala garlic bread. I mean, sure, people people who like to cook, like to try new recipes, but this went on to a whole next level, real Atmanirbhar, I must say. But yeah, kudos to all those chefs at home. It was a great experience for them as well. I think they got to experiment a lot. They learned so much. So, and people around them like me, who got to eat those food despite the lockdown, despite the restaurants being closed. So yeah, it was really a blessing and a good thing that happened in 2020. Next thing is little weird, but I'm not even gonna comment on the Indian news channels. But yeah, so many Indians were so happy with US presidential election. I mean, it was like everyone's visa is gonna get cleared. But fine, it's a good thing that happened. Trump era has ended, and Americans have a ray of hope, as does the entire world. So that's something that we can be happy about. Moving on to the last but not the least, you and I, us. We all have learned endurance and how to keep our mind sane in a difficult, unexpected, and a global level crisis situation. We all have also learned to finally appreciate and celebrate our medical health, people who are actually saving lives. We all have also grown on an individual level. We all have learned so many new things this year, which we wouldn't have tried otherwise, right? Also, talking about the positivity, I mean, if you are healthy, if you are fine and you're watching this video, I mean, I would say kudos to you, because you have kept your mind stable. You have come through a lot, and you are fine, and that's the biggest blessing we can say that we have today. Because in this situation, in this year where so much has happened and you never know what's gonna happen next, you are still fine and you are doing great. So I think that is that deserves a little clap from all of us. Clap for yourself that you have made it till here. Not sure if the year 2021 is gonna be better, but let's continue to grow with hope and positivity. And let's take this last month of the most widely hated year, I must say, to look back a little and to see how far we have come and we have grown. On that note, ending today's video. These are a few general points that I felt most of you can relate to, but if you have any other good points about year 2020, then please do share that with us in the comment section below. Okay. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Surreal Stories 99, not Brooklyn 99, Surreal Stories 99. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye. And yeah, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel also. Yeah. Bye.